Hey guys, so today we are seeing how to enroll yourself in the DSC SASTRA community. So I'm going to Google. I'm just searching for DSC dot com. Okay, sorry, DSC dot community dot dev. So it takes me to the DSC dot community dot dev homepage. So I'm going to the search or city for a region tab, and I'm gonna search for Sastra. So let me search for Sastra. Okay, I get the SASTRA deemed to be university at first, right? So I'm getting into the SASTRA. This is our dashboard, okay? So this will be our home page. So there's an option called join us, right? So I'm clicking on join us. Okay, so here is my account. So I'm clicking on the Google account which you want to link to the DSC. So it asks some basic details, right? So the first name and last name it automatically collects from our mail. So it has already uploaded my default Gmail image as my profile picture. So let me choose my country as India. So city Hosur. So let me give the time zone as Asia. Do I have Asia here? Okay, just give me a moment. Okay, or okay, just for namesake, I'm giving some time zone. So fill this option too. So why are you coming to DAC? So I want to give a technical talk or expand existing knowledge. Just check this. So you choose your preferred pronoun and agree to the terms and conditions. And if you want to read the terms and conditions, you could also read the DAC event participation terms and Google's privacy policy and just go to sign up. So after clicking sign up, you could see this dashboard, right? Again, it has logged you in. You can see here, right? So you are logged in right now, and click join again. After you click join for the second time, you will get this pop-up notification as successful. So after joining, you could see the join button has disappeared. So this means that you have successfully registered as a member for Sastra Deemed University. Thank you.